Making your first $100,000 is often the hardest part of building wealth, but it's also the most important milestone. Once you achieve it, you'll realize it's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter. In this video, I'll share 10 proven ways to hit that six-figure mark. Let's dive in. Number 1. Start by increasing your income. Whether it's asking for a raise, taking on extra hours, or switching to a higher-paying job, the fastest way to hit $100,000 is to earn more. Skills like sales, coding, and digital marketing are in demand, so invest in learning these to boost your earning potential. Number 2. Launch a side hustle. From freelancing on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to selling handmade goods on Etsy or dropshipping on Shopify, a side hustle can bring in consistent extra income. Find what aligns with your skills and interests, and commit time to growing it. Number 3. Save aggressively. The more you save, the faster you'll hit your target. Use the 50-30-20 rule to budget, and focus on cutting non-essential expenses. Every dollar you save is a step closer to your $100,000 goal. Number 4. Invest early and consistently. Even if you're starting small, compound interest can work wonders. Use platforms like Robinhood, Acorns, or Vanguard to invest in index funds or ETFs. A consistent monthly investment can grow significantly over time. Number 5. Start a business. Businesses can scale faster than a regular 9-to-5. Think about solving a problem or offering a service in demand. Whether it's an online course, a subscription box, or a consulting service, a business has the potential to generate significant income. Number 6. Network and learn. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who can mentor and inspire you. Networking opens doors to better opportunities, collaborations, and even partnerships that can accelerate your income. Number 7. Real estate investing. You don't need millions to get started. Look into house hacking, where you live in one part of a property and rent out the rest. You can also invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts, for passive income. Number 8. Create passive income streams. Focus on activities that make money while you sleep. These could include writing a book, selling an online course, affiliate marketing, or investing in dividend-paying stocks. Number 9. Eliminate debt. Paying off high-interest debt frees up money that you can save and invest. Focus on tackling your debt aggressively using strategies like the debt snowball or avalanche method. And finally, number 10. Stay disciplined and focused. Building $100,000 requires consistency and patience. Track your progress, celebrate small wins, and remind yourself of your goal. Success doesn't happen overnight, but with the right mindset and strategies, you'll get there. Making your first $100,000 is all about intentionality and smart decisions. Apply these 10 strategies, and you'll be on your way to achieving this major milestone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to hit 6 figures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.